As you can clearly see, I'm in my new home studio, and the view is breathtaking for sure. I can't stop laughing. Ha, 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 ha.
This right here is just mind-blowing. Deepfakes have gotten really good to the point that we can barely tell the difference between something that was AI generated and something that is actually a real person speaking. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different platforms that would let you create realistic looking avatars speaking or saying whatever you want. Now, I'm not just talking about those weird avatars we used to get. These are some of the examples that I mean.
As you can clearly see, I'm in my new home studio, and the view is breathtaking for sure. I can't stop laughing. Ha, 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 ha. As you can clearly see, I'm in my new home studio, and the view is breathtaking for sure. I can't stop laughing. Ha, 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 ha.
Avatars like this that you can barely tell if this is actually someone speaking or if this is fake. Now, these avatars can not only just say stuff, they can actually sing and show expression. They could laugh, they could cry, they could do whatever you want them to do, and it is absolutely insane. So let's just get into the video.
So there are 3 platforms that we'll be looking at today. The first platform is Mirage, the second would be HeyGen, and the third would be Pipit. Pipit is a platform by CapCut. It's owned by CapCut. So the first platform, Mirage, what you have to do is once you're on the mirage.app home website, you can just log in with your Google Gmail, or you can just sign up with your email or whatever you want, and then you click on new project. And when you click on new project, it will ask you to either generate an image or upload your own image. So if you click on generate, you can generate an image. But if I want to upload an image, but first you have to upload an audio, because that's the first thing that would be generating, you'll be using to generate video. So once you upload your video, I already have audio. Once you upload your audio, I already have an audio I generated from 11 Labs. So once you generate your audio, you upload it here, and it's going to take a while. And once you've uploaded the audio, it's going to separate the audio and split the audio into either 3, depending on the length, or 4. It would place a cut every 2 to every 3 seconds. I don't know why it does that, but it just does that. So once you're done, you can just click next, and then you can choose between their different avatars. They have a lot of avatars that are so realistic. You can either use those, or you can upload your own image if you have something better. So I have something I'm going to be using to test out all these platforms. So I already created an image with Leonardo AI. If you don't know Leonardo, I'll leave a link in the description so you can get access to Leonardo. So this is the image. Once you click on upload, it would automatically convert it to 16:9 aspect ratio, which is this short form. You can adjust it however you want by dragging the image. So once you're okay, you just click on next, and it's going to take a while to convert this image to an avatar. So once you've clicked on create actor, it's going to automatically start generating an audition. An audition would be a sample of what your video would look like with the audio that you've uploaded. So while that's generating, let's go over to HeyGen. Now on HeyGen, you want to go to this photo or video avatar 4. This is your latest avatar model. So once you're here, it's super easy. You can just upload your audio and then drag and drop an image that you want to use. So I'm just going to upload the same audio I'll be using for Mirage and also Pipit. So I'm just going to upload it, and it's uploading. Once it's done, you can just click on add audio, and then you upload an image you want. You can select from their samples, but I don't like any of them, so I'm just going to upload the same image that I'm using for Mirage AI. So once you upload it, you can change the aspect ratio just like you can do with Mirage. You can select whatever aspect ratio you want, whether 16:9 or 9:16, and then you can select your quality. But since I'm using the free account, I can only export in 720p. Once that's done, you click on generate, and it's going to automatically start generating. That's as simple as it is. You don't have to do too much. It's not like Mirage where you have to go through a lot of steps. Now, the thing with HeyGen is that it takes a really long time for it to for it to generate an image. I waited like a whole lot for it to generate a video for me, and the video is just about 8 seconds long. 8 seconds long, but it took a really long time. It took anywhere from 30 minutes to generate with HeyGen. Mirage took about 20 minutes or less, maybe 17. Now let's go over to Pipit. Pipit, you can see their interface is owned by CapCut. You can see try out the AI talking photo, blah 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 blah. So we're just going to log in, create an account with our email, and then we can start generating. So almost the same step. So once you sign up with your Gmail, you have to put your date of birth for some weird reason, and then once you're done, you have marketing video, avatar video, AI talking video. So we're just going to try the AI talking photo. That's what we want to do. So let's just click on AI talking photo. So once you click on that, it will take you to another screen, and then this is where you can upload your image. Here, you first of all you upload your image, and then after that you upload your voiceover. So we're just going to upload the same image. It has automatically cropped it for us, but we can still adjust the crop to however we want it. Once you're done, you click on done. So once it's done uploading, then we can add our voiceover. You can see they have a lot of sample images here or avatars that you can use. It for those people creating this content on social media that we've all been seeing, that's blowing up, children doing podcasts and stuff like that, celebrities as babies. You can easily use this platform to do that, but let's just test it to see how this platform works. So once it is done uploaded, you upload your script, or you can type your script and use your AI voices. But we're just going to upload the script since we're using the same script for all the platforms. So once you're done uploading it, and then you're going to export. You can see the video is done uploading. So you choose rename your video. You can remove the watermark now since the platform is free for now, and you can select quality. But I don't know how long this platform would be free. So once you're done, you just click on generate to say generating video. So while this is generating, let's go back and check our other videos. Well, you can see HeyGen is still in 12%, is not done generating. Well, Mirage is telling us 1 minute, so let's just wait till Mirage is done generating, then we would know for sure. So Mirage is actually done generating, so let's just play to see what we got.
As you can clearly see, I'm in my new home studio. And
After you're done with the auditioning, it's going to start generating the complete video. The first with audition would just be 2 seconds long. So it's going to take an extra 4 to 5 minutes to generate the complete video. So you have to wait again. While we're waiting here, HeyGen is still not done. So I'll just fast forward this video till whenever it's done. So Mirage AI is actually done. So this is the sample that we got. This is the video that we got.
my new home studio. As you can clearly see, I'm in my new home studio, and the view is breathtaking for sure. I can't stop laughing. Ha 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 ha.
This is mind-blowing. The gestures, the movement, the body movement is actually insane. It is absolutely mind-blowing.
I'm in my new home.
So I'm just going to do a side-by-side comparison, but let's just wait for HeyGen to complete its generation. So this is generation for HeyGen.
As you can clearly see, I'm in my new home studio, and the view is breathtaking for sure. I can't stop laughing. Ha 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 ha.
For some reason, people did not generate the video. It just said an error generation in the avatar, and I have no idea why. So that's something you have to keep in mind. I have no idea why it didn't generate any video for me after wasting over 30 minutes of my time. It's crazy, but here you have it. I think Mirage did a better job with the gestures, although he made the skin tone a little lighter. But I think it looks way more realistic compared to HeyGen, and the HeyGen has a huge watermark on the video, so that's what you have to keep in mind. But I think overall, Mirage AI did a better job than HeyGen, but they still look good. We're close to having hyper realism when it comes to deepfake in using AI now. It's absolutely insane. So that's it for this video. I hope to see you in the next one.
As you can clearly see, I'm in my new home studio, and the view is breathtaking for sure. I can't stop laughing. Ha, 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 ha. As you can clearly see, I'm in my new home studio, and the view is breathtaking for sure. I can't stop laughing. Ha, 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 ha.